I'm Topview Product Avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your products. Use Topview Product Avatars to make your video marketing faster and more effective.
Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever struggled to find the right model to showcase your product? Spent countless hours and money on costly photo shoots? What if you could create top-tier visuals without the stress of hiring real models? Meet Topview Product Avatars, an innovative AI-powered tool that transforms how you present your products using just a single image. Imagine having a digital model at your disposal, ready to display your items instantly, making video marketing smoother, faster, and more effective. Sounds intriguing? Let's explore. In today's fast-paced market, presentation is everything. Whether you're managing an e-commerce store or curating a standout marketing campaign, capturing your audience's attention is key. But what if you could achieve professional-grade visuals without the expense and hassle of traditional photo shoots? Introducing Topview, the AI-driven tool revolutionizing product showcases. Topview Product Avatars utilize advanced artificial intelligence to bring your items to life. Simply upload an image, and in seconds, professional digital avatars will hold and present your products with elegance and precision. Choose your preferred avatar. Click Replace with my product image. Upload your product, and AI will automatically remove the background. Adjust the positioning as needed. Click Confirm, and you're done. The results? Absolutely stunning. Plus, if you'd like, you can regenerate the output or convert the image into a dynamic video avatar.
I'm Topview Product Avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your products. Use Topview Product Avatars to make your video marketing faster and more effective.
Next, we have the AI image creation feature. The AI image creation feature allows you to generate stunning visuals instantly with just a few simple steps. First, select the style that best fits your vision. Choose from realistic, cartoonish, sketch, 3D render, and more to match your desired aesthetic. Next, enter a detailed text prompt describing the image you want. Once the style is set, adjust the aspect ratio based on your needs. Whether it's square, 1:1 for social media, landscape, 16:9 for banners, or portrait, 9:16 for vertical content, you can customize the image dimensions effortlessly. After that, select the number of images you want AI to generate. Hit the Generate button, and within seconds, the AI will create high-quality visuals tailored to your needs. With this feature, producing professional images has never been easier. And that's how avatar marketing videos can transform your product presentations. With AI-powered avatars, you can craft high-quality videos effortlessly. No need for actors, costly shoots, or complex editing. Just simple, powerful video marketing at your fingertips. And generate stunning visuals effortlessly. Whether you need eye-catching graphics for marketing, social media, or creative projects, this tool makes it fast and simple, no design skills required. Just enter your prompt, choose a style, adjust the settings, and let AI do the rest. Excited to try it out? Click the link in the description and start bringing your brand to life today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.